Hello everyone, welcome to We Learn Tutorials. In this video, we are going to learn how to draw a circuit diagram. So before starting that, we need to know some symbols which we are going to use in circuit. So let's start. The first symbol which we use is of cell. So you have to represent in this way. See, two lines are there. This one bigger line and one smaller line. So bigger line is the positive terminal and the smaller line, this is the negative terminal. Now we have battery. When you take two cells together, 2 or 3 cells or more than that, it will become battery. So we'll represent it like this. See, this is one cell, this is one cell, this is one cell. So in this way, this is positive, again this is negative. Bigger line is the positive terminal, smaller line is the negative terminal. So the next symbol is switch. So the switch is same switch which you use at your houses also to switch on the tube lights or fans, etc. So switch, it will have two symbols. So one when the switch is in open state and the other one when the switch is in closed state. So open, it is represented as this. So this is the symbol used for switch. You can use another symbol also, we have this one. So these are the two symbols used to represent the open switch. Now closed switch. See, if you are using this symbol, you just have to put a dot. See, this is for open, this is for close. You just have to put a dot in the open switch. And if you are using that symbol, you have to make these two join. So if these 2 points are joining, this means this symbol is representing the closed switch. The next symbol we have, it is of bulb. So make sure you are noting all the symbols. Then we have bulb. Bulb you can represent in this way, or you can draw a bulb, a real bulb. Like my drawing is not very good, but still I'll try. So you can use this one also and you can use this one also, but prefer to use this one. So this symbol is for bulb. Then we have ammeter. Ammeter, it is represented in this way. This is positive terminal, this is negative terminal. Then we have voltmeter. Voltmeter you can represent the same way like we represent ammeter, but instead of A you have to write B, plus minus. So ammeter, we all know it is used to measure current, and voltmeter, it is used to measure potential difference. Now we have resistance. So symbol of resistance, it is like this. Now we will draw one circuit diagram and you will understand in a better way how we can use all these symbols. So let's start now. So I will use all the symbols which I have explained you just now. So let's start. So we will start with the battery, because instead of using a cell directly, we can use a battery in the circuit. So this is the battery. These lines you can join, and here. Now we will draw switch. At the starting, if current is flowing, that means you have to on the switch and you have to put a dot in this. I have discussed two symbols. You can use either this one or the other one, this one. This is for open and this for close. So it's your wish which symbol you want to use for switch. So if the current is flowing, then you have to put this dot, means the symbol should be of closed switch. If the current is not flowing, then it should be in open switch. Now, so we have to draw everything. This is positive terminal of the battery. This you have to mention. This is negative terminal of the battery, and here I will draw resistance, and here I will draw ammeter. So positive terminal of the battery of the ammeter should be with positive terminal of the battery, and negative terminal of the ammeter should be with negative terminal of the battery. So if the current is flowing, it should always flow from positive to negative. So it should be the direction of current. See, positive to negative. You have to mark these arrows also. So this is resistance. Ammeter we have already drawn. Now voltmeter. Voltmeter, it should always be connected in parallel combination, you can see. So like this you have to draw voltmeter parallel. See, it should always be parallel, whichever thing you want. Now I have drawn it parallel to resistance. So same way positive terminal of voltmeter, it should be connected with positive terminal of the battery, and negative terminal of voltmeter should be connected with negative terminal of the battery. Now this is the circuit diagram when we are using only one resistance. Now we can see resistances, we can either use more than one or one. So I will discuss both the cases. This was for the when we are using one resistance. Now let's draw for three resistances, and resistance again it can be in series combination also, or it can be in parallel combination also. So let's discuss for series combination first. So I am taking two resistances I am taking. So if you are taking more than two also, same way you have to do. Right now I am discussing with two resistances. So, and this combination is in series combination of resistance. So like this you can, series means in line, both the resistances should be in line. See, this is R1, this is R2, and again voltmeter we have to connect with in parallel. So like this you can connect. So this was the case when the resistances are connected in series combination. So let's discuss when the resistance is connected in parallel combination. So let's start. So I'll use the same circuit diagram. Everything you have to mention. See, flow of current also, it should be from positive to negative, ammeter, voltmeter, everything you have to draw. And if the current is passing, then you have to show the state of closed switch like I have shown here. Now let's start. For parallel combination of resistance, I will take, this is my one resistance. So right now I am discussing for two resistances. So here, so this resistance, one more resistance, it should be parallel to this one. So like this you can draw. This is R1, this is R2, and same way voltmeter should also be in parallel. So parallel combination means your resistances should be in this way, and if you are using more than two resistances in parallel, you have to draw. Same combination you can use in series also. If you are using more than two, so in line you have to keep on drawing like this. So like this you have to draw. So this was all about circuit diagram. I hope you have understood. And if you have any doubts, you can post your doubts in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to assist. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you in my next one.